a tiny freezing wind in my back, and I was sitting there, singing a song I had never heard before. Suddenly, a voice told me, "Keep on singing, little boy, and raise your arms to the big black sky. Raise your arms the highest you can, so the whole universe will glow."
2000 Aston Martin Vantage Le Mans. A fitting homage to Aston Martin's outright victory at the Le Mans 24-hour race in 1959, the Vantage Le Mans not only represents the motorsport legacy of the company, but the end of an era for the coach-built car, the ultimate descendant of a line of models built between 1960 and 1999, engineered, manufactured, and assembled by teams of Aston Martin's own highly skilled craftsmen and engineers. Like the Le Mans winning DBR1, a hand-built car built for and by heroes. A scintillating 600 brake horsepower produced from the Tadek Marek designed 5.3 litre 4-cam all-alloy V8 engine, when combined with a sumptuous interior, tenacious grip and superb braking, resulted in a high-speed continental touring car par excellence. Just 40 cars were planned and produced, although some with the less powerful 550 brake horsepower standard engine and equipment. The superb car we are proud to offer, a complete 600 brake horsepower and 5-speed manual transmission example, is finished in the 1999 launch colour of Aston Racing Green with magnolia hides piped green with burr walnut veneers. The car comes with its original equipment, including the glove box mounted torch and Michelin map marked with the route to Le Mans. With just 3 owners from new, this highly cherished car is being maintained annually by Aston Martin and is almost indistinguishable from new. Highly prized and produced in minuscule numbers, the Vantage Le Mans is both a thrill to drive and a bona fide collector's car from the end of an era. Available for viewing and demonstration now at our Hertfordshire showrooms.